And Dave is dabbing.
Dabbing Dave.
Dabbing Dave. Oh, nice.
Nice job.
Just had to use your bottom bracket.
Ah, shit. Ah.
I got it. Stop it. In this video, we headed out to the Holdridge trail system in Holly, Michigan. There's several loops. The east loop is also called Gruber's Ginder. It's very old school Southeast Michigan trail. I haven't been back there in 20 years and it literally has not changed a bit. It's still tough. It will take you a while to ride it, so plan ahead, bring plenty of water and nutrition. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Here in a couple years.
Carlos is our tour guide.
It's Carlos's home track, apparently. Oh, it's right here? What's North Loop? Okay. And Carlos is off. East Loop. And this is the longest loop. Gruber's Ginder. Yep. Gruber's Ginder.
Gruber's.
What do you think, Matt? Lots of climbing?
More flow than Highland?
Slightly.
I'm not going to say who fell, but his initials on that.
I fell, Dave, I fell.
Sharp turn. And a climb. A lot of little downhill and then they suck it right back out of you. So I wouldn't call this a fast trail.
No.
I didn't hit, but I slowed down a lot.
Yeah, as long as you lean the bike through there.
That was the one I think I was thinking about.
You got room as long as you're careful.
Watch your head.
Oh. Not sketchy.
Oh, I almost did. I almost went all the way to the right. I started lining up completely wrong on that.
Another rock garden.
Those are fun.
I guess
Old-
free ride.
Old farmer rock piles.
Just go over it.
Just need momentum through them.
Oh yeah, those are nice.
There's a lot of fall leaves already coming down. Seems like fresh leaves. I mean, we still got a couple days of August left. Maybe all these leaves heard that pumpkin spice lattes are now available.
Uh-oh.
And all the pumpkin beer's out now, so maybe they're like, oh hell, must be fall. We better start dropping our leaves, yo. The horn dog, yo.
Horn dog.
Horn dog. Oh wait, horn dog, exit in the rear. All right, I'm done being 12. No, I'm gonna go last. I'm gonna let you guys figure out where all the failure points are, and then I'll be able to stay upright. In theory, but that usually doesn't happen either. That's a tough one. That's a steep little climb. Steep, rooty climb. All right, so what's your impressions on the trail, Matt? What do you think so far?
Tight, rooty with a bunch of punchy climbs. Definitely keeps your heart rate up. It's fun.
Yeah, hard to return your heart rate down.
The one knock I have on it is it's super overgrown and it's hard to see the trail.
Yeah, it is overgrown, and that section 12 is nothing but like broken sticks and things that can really hurt you. And
Lots of things by your head.
A lot of down stuff that hasn't been cleaned up yet. What about you, Dave? What do you think?
Oh, I like it.
Of course you do. You like everything.
This is my favorite kind of shit.
It is.
Back trails. It's how all trails were 20 plus years ago.
And that's the last time I was out here. At least. It's like Highland, but it's not like, say, you don't have as long of climbs.
Right.
They're short, punchy ones, but you still don't get a chance to recover.
Longer downhills.
Still don't.
I don't think it's more like Brighton.
I think it is more like Brighton.
For the climbs, yeah. I think it's techier than Brighton, though. The roots are more apparent, more rocks and roots.
Yes. This is more.
It's a little tighter.
Updated.
Yeah.
This has more throwback fall line
Yeah.
downhills.
Oh, this is all nothing.
Exposed roots.
This trail has not changed in 20 years. I haven't been on my nose of my saddle that much on a climb. Long time. Nothing but sand. Good ride, guys. Good, well done.
I'm glad we went there.